Hi guys, it's Nate Brick. Today I'm going to show you how to make a infinity prism. It's a pretty cool fidget toy and you'll want to make it too. Let's get started. So the pieces you're going to want to need are 4 flat plates, 2 2x1s, and 3 hinge bricks. Yeah. So you're going to start out by taking these 3 hinge bricks, and you can see the circle right there, right? Make sure the circle is facing this way, and put another hinge brick on, but the circle must be facing the opposite way. Like this. And this. And then you're going to do the same thing with the third one. The hinge must be the opposite way as the last one. The circle, or whatever you want to call it. And then it should go like this. Now we're going to take the 2x1 bricks, place them on top, right here, into the spaces, like this. And then you're going to place the flat bricks anything can be any color, so yeah, doesn't matter. So there you have it. Your infinity prism is right here. Thanks for watching, and sub or like for more. Thank you.